I love about StreamerBot. There's gonna be trouble ahead. Oh, we're back. Okay. We should alter that redeem to have a different face every time. How you doing, Freedom? Oh, no wonder. On backwards. Oh wait. Oh wait. Yes. The oh gee Jesus. This is why you don't let the good overlay happen. It's been a bad idea since the get-go, and now I've just found a way to make it even worse. So for anybody who watches Let's Game It Out, one of my favorite things that he does is there a limit? And it would appear there is, and I've met it, and I broke the game. Oh, whoa, 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 hey, hey, hey! My bullets are carrying me away. I'm doing all the I'm doing all this to for just to try and get video into GODOT. That link, that announcement I just posted, it is the most amazing app for holding all your links for everything. It shows when I'm live on YouTube, shows when I'm live on Twitch, has all the links that I could ever want to share out in one location, and it's so fucking customizable. Absolutely love it. All right. Where were we on the music front? No, 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 no. I don't know what you use for enchilada. Why'd that come out like a song? I don't know what you use for enchilada. Whatever you use, I'm going to eat a lotta. I was playing with myself with my big horn on stream, and nobody wanted to watch me play with myself with my big horn on stream. I can't imagine why. Yeah. I've made life. I've made it weird. Just a little weird. All right, let's un. Oh. Fuck. If you can find a replacement for me, I'm gonna raid out, and this has been a lot of fun. We'll play again.
Super fun, GD.
Give me 5 GD.
Yeah, yeah.
1, 2, 3, team. All right,
See
catch you later.
next time,
And if you want to play an oboe, a double reed instrument, here's what you do. You take a look at a cat's asshole, a really close look at a cat's asshole, and you do your best to make your lips look like that. You go. Then bro. There. That's a skill that you learned. Thank you for the comment. Ooh, breaking the pot. Golden skeleton, he must have taken a golden shower. So, yeah. I need a magnet or a suck shrine. So this is what I have now in OBS, tracking my face in 3D. However, there are some bugs that I got to work out. You know, get it to follow. I think I need to put it all in a wrapper of some sort. Hello. Are we working? Welcome in, Tricky. Congrats on being first. Actually, first. Good for you. Good for you. Hope all is well. Yes, you are first tonight. Congratulations. I'm happy for you. I appreciate you being here. Something I need to do really quick. There we go. There we go. All right, and now I need to be able to hear myself, which kind of a big deal. Oh, there we are. How you doing, Tricky? How are things? So I got to clean the glasses because I can't see out of them, which would be a good reason to clean them, right? All right, so Tricky. Yeah. I'm well aware. Such is life, or as the French say, such is life. I'm getting. Thank you for that, making sure that it still works and that I can come back from the dead. Appreciate you. Big Amy.
Don't mess with my toot toot. I know you have another woman. Don't mess with my toot toot.
Oh, you say that, but you have no proof. No proof at all. Wrong button. Just gotta make sure, because occasionally there's a bug where the media doesn't come off, and every time I change, we get the Bit Gamey Toot Toot song. And that could be a little bit weird for some people. Okay. It has been a day. It has been a long day. It's been a tiring day. Still not quite sleeping as well as one would hope. I do have proof. Right here. I had a count of 0. And nobody's home. Nobody's home. Remember that commercial? Back in the day of answering machines. Oh, answering machines were a hell of a thing. Do I have anything in here? So there was this commercial where you could buy funny answering machine messages and have them play in your answering machine when somebody would call. For those of you under 40, an answering machine is like voicemail, only with cassette tapes. And for those of you under 40, cassette tapes are like CDs or like Spotify, except they were magnetic tape that you would have to rewind. But there was one that's like, nobody's home, nobody's home, nobody's home, nobody's home, nobody's home. All right, do I have... Olinato, welcome in. Good to see you. All right, so the first goal is... Okay. Okay, next goal is to get some damage working on the player character. But I don't think I've put in hit points anywhere yet. Not too much up. Just, you know, back at it as always. Trying to accomplish stuff. Seeing what we can accomplish here with the help of Claude. And I don't think that I have. Okay, so export. Bar max health. We'll do that. Does that work? I don't think that actually works as an export. Doesn't? No, it doesn't. Why would I have it as an export? Why would I have current health as an export? Oh man, I am. Health variables, there we go. Okay, and then do I have the function take damage? Do I have anything to take damage? I don't have take damage. Welcome in, K-Mac. How you doing? Good to see you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Right, Funk take damage. Boom. That looks good. Current health, blah, blah, blah. Now, well, Big Amy, you could tell by the beard how it's not out to here anymore. It was getting pretty shaggy. I mean, look. My new haircut. Not now, Chief. I'm in the zone. Okay. So, sewer rat. Oh, that's a scene. We want the script. Player, player take damage. Damage. Can't be that easy. Can it? Did I make it that easy? Yeah, it happens when I go away for a bit. And all right, let's go back to level base here. And we'll make it all there. Total waves 3, base wave size 10, 5. Ooh, a dabbing astronaut. Much better than an assing Dabronot. On the bridge downtown. Okay. Yeah, nice. You're just 0.02 away. 0.02 away from a perfect score. Okay, ow. All right, attack me. Okay, so it's not attacking. Whoa, hello. Oh, good guy. Ah. All right, so we're not actually... Leonardo, not really much that you can do with controlling it. Just walking around. Wandering. Are there things that you... Dracomatic, welcome in. Leonardo, anything that you would like to see or like to be able to do with the little TVs? I am not jump. Okay. Where the heck did I... No, that's not what I was looking for. Where? Um, a chat controller critter. No. Jump. Dance. Not easy, because then I have to blender. Fight. There. We'll put those in here. Spin. Spin. Almost copying Biggs. Okay, okay. All right, so let's go back to our sewer rat here. Attack behavior. Are we actually doing the attack anywhere? Two things first. Two things first. Okay. Actually, I only want to do one thing at a time. First, I'd like to update the base enemy class so that logic is reused. Logic that is similar, not reused. All right, because my mold slime is very, very, very close to the sewer rat. Hey, look, it searched for slime. Are you listening to me? I think it's listening to me. I don't like it listening to me. Okay, make sure that we aren't painting ourselves into a corner. Okay. Never met a girl like you before. All right, so we're refactoring a little bit here. And taking logic, we're trying to make it more dry. We don't want it to be moist. We want it to be dry. And what I mean by that is dry, don't repeat yourself coding. Because right now, if we look at the existing sewer rat, a lot of stuff here is exactly the same as in our mold slime here. Like almost identical. Okay, we're taking away the abstract. I get it. I wanted to use it, but just doing something for the sake of doing it. Jake Blade, how you doing? Welcome in. Good to see you. Hope all is well. Doing a wee bit of refactoring here. Let's see. Just I noticed that my two enemies so far have a lot of shared data or a lot of shared logic. So I'm clearing it out. We're using Claude here to refactor and move all the duplicated logic into the base class. And it looks It's making a lot of sense here. One edit, we're taking a lot of stuff out.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here.
Holy shit, stand
Thank
error.
you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Do it! Just do it!
Stand error, welcome in. Also, hello. Hello, Captain Krabs, good to see you. Stand error, how was your stream? What were you doing? Last time I checked you out, you were doing some really cool maze stuff. For raiders coming in, those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I do web development during the day. And on stream, I'm learning game development. And right now I'm just refactoring some stuff. It's Amazing Monday. Nice. You have it set up so that chat chooses directions, right? There we go. Set these in a scene inspector. All behavior overrides needed. Wander, chase, and attack. Oh, you're copy pasting. Okay. Ooh. That does sound painful. That. Oh, I know it's a little bit early in the year. I mean, still a couple months away. But are you planning on doing the advent of standard error? Folks, be sure to check out standard error. Amazing developer. Knows, probably has forgotten more about InfoSec than I'll ever know. Eight. There we go. Mold slime. It's 5. Speed slow. What we got here? Captain Krabs, hopefully in a good way. It's also been a day. Is definitely a good way to put it. Hopefully our little, well, mainly your adventure last week helped out with a few things. I'm kind of curious how exposure like that could pan out in the long run. Senator, I I completely understand that. I know you put a lot of freaking work into that stuff, and it's absolutely brilliant. I've never gotten past one or two. Simple challenges on your stream. Oh, nice. All right, so was it you? I think welcome in, Fallen. Good to see you. Sander, was it you last year or maybe the year before that had us looking through audio waveforms to get the data that you're looking for? That was absolutely just like blew my mind. Like doing stuff with Audacity that I really never had a reason to do. Didn't even know that half of it, and it's just to look for the code in here. What the hell? Oh, the audacity. Okay, let's go back to enemy base here. Non-major nerd, welcome in. Good to see you. How you doing? Welcome back. Almost, wow. Ah! Okay. When enemy gets within attack range, player switches to attack state. Are we actually like setting the attack range? There's a question for the ages.
JDDoesDev wears a live Ethernet cable as a belt.
It's true. It's definitely true. It's on the internet. It has to happen. Attack range 10 pixels. Oh. So that's why we're not getting anywhere. I'm pretty sure that. Let's look at the nice drop. It's super twin sticky, yes. So sticky. I'm using some Kenny assets to help me move past like trying to get the art right before I do all the important stuff. We're getting the function before the form. I hope. That's kind of the goal. Enemy base. So how you been? Distance player is less than attack range. State chase. Let's print distance to player. There we go. We're gonna print that out, and then let's go back to main here and run a quick test. Chase me. Yeah. Okay. There we go. It's got to be at least larger or more than the radius of the capsule. Even though they're touching, it's looking right for the center of the player, right? I guess instead of that, we could use an area on the enemies. Let's see what our collision enemies, looking for player projectiles, and then player wait, this doesn't seem right. This also doesn't seem right. What the hell? Oh, okay, okay. I forget that I have the print somewhere in the physics process. Yeah, collision layer, enemies, player projectiles. But shouldn't it also be looking for player? Or maybe, so what I'm thinking is when, if well, Laudanum Legends, you're not wrong. Welcome in, first time chat. Yeah, these insecurities aren't going to project themselves. Let's do that. Attack range, that. And then also in the mold slime, I don't act tough because I know that I'm not. But that's seeming like, just straight up being mean. Which not really called for. So yeah, let's just leave it at that. Right. Maybe I should do a slightly larger capsule. You could. You definitely could. Nobody's going to hear it. Well, there we go. All right, so we're naming that attack range. Let's put you next to the sewer rat here. Okay, so all right, let's go back here. Enemy base. We need to make sure that we have what do we have? What do we have? That we have the attack. There we go. That's pretty much it. But do I have any other on ready here? Okay, we'll get rid of that. And then anything about this. Ooh. Okay, I guess that attack range 50. Let's change it back over here. Let's get rid of that. There we go. Folks, I'm sorry that you had to see that. I normally don't do the banning, but somebody coming in right off the bat, just yeah, I'm you can make a choice every day of what kind of person you're going to be. Ooh, I'm so dead. He comes around and she goes down on me. Sandir, what are I forget what the requirements are for instant upload. Isn't it number of streams, or is it something else? Because I have instant up, or like my emotes don't need to be approved anymore, but that's good standing. Okay. What? Okay. Here's the thing. It has to be 60 streams in the past 2 years. That's the number I was looking for. Oh yeah, it definitely makes no sense. Yeah. Whoops. Well, now we know non-major nerd's password. It is \. That's what you get for choosing the wrong window. Polinato, yes, that is the goal. May the RN Jesus be ever in your favor. All right, let's get rid of that. That debug. Oh, why, yes, it is. Since the player, detection range. Ooh, oh, ew. Where is detection range defined? Okay. All right, so this, we got that. Now, these. Okay. Let's have it check my work here. Let's see. Where the heck am I here? Damage application, health clamping. Line 170. What? Hmm? Oh, it's yelling at me because of that. Okay, that's fine. Handle player death. Invulnerability frames. Yes, we need that. Death handling, damage feedback, health UI. All right, so we got that. Refactor enemies and And player take damage. Yay! Was that my goal for the day? Yeah, that was the top. That was the number one goal. All right, so let's then work on the dash behavior. Please. Do not give any direct code without me asking. Okay. So make dodge invulnerable and pass through enemies. Okay, so start dodge. Is invulnerable equals true. Dodge cooldown timer equals that. And then start dodge. Where is the dodge cooldown timer? Right there. Vulnerable. Is invulnerable false. What's this in? Not can dodge. Oh. Current dodge plus delta. Right. Check this flag in. Take damage. If is invulnerable. Turn. Okay. So we got that. And to go through enemies. Oh, yeah. Hey. Illusion mask 2 false. Wait a minute. Wait, that doesn't seem right, does it? Projectiles. On collision layer 3. Right? Collision layer 3. And then huh, this is weird. Why did I do this? Base. Let's check what the layer projectiles are 3. Okay. So it should probably be, let me clarify here. Let me clarify. Enemy projectiles. Okay. And then I think I had here dodge duration. Then all right, standard error. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for the raid. I appreciate you coming in. Take care, and I'll see you later as well. Wait, and perfect timing there too. I'm gonna turn on words. I'm gonna take a quick break. I'm gonna run to the restroom, stretch my legs. I suggest you do the same. If you choose not to, that's completely up to you. But I'll put on words on stream for you. And I will be back in just a couple minutes. Make me proud. Hold on. Hold on. All right. We can get this one. Luffa. Ooh, boff is a word. Awful. Awful is awful. But buffalo, 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 buffalo. In case you were wondering. Bluff. 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 There's something. Okay. Oh, flob. Flob. Did anybody flob? All right. All right. We're going to turn off the auto timer here. All right. So thoughts on this. Let me, before I make any changes here. Oh, what happened? What? Ooh. All right. But, go back here. Let's take a look. So I have a behavior. I'm going to have a behavior here. Boom. Where we can dodge. Whoa, this one. All up in my business. This one is not giving up. Oh, I think because I damaged it. It has been permanently aggroed. When I used to be a paramedic, I had to transport a lot of psychiatric patients. And some, and this is not me, being mean, some were fun. Like they would, not in a way of, punching down, but they'd be like, you know what? I know I need help. I know where I'm going. I know what's happening. But sometimes it would be like, they'd just be like, listen, it's too bumpy back here. I'm about to have a behavior. Ma'am, I'm sorry. We can't do anything about the roads. Tell my partner to take it a little bit easier. Ooh, okay. Anyway, the behavior here. Look at that. Oh. almost got stuck on the corner, didn't you? Oh, that's not good. Anybody? Who's left? Oh, you are. Why is it? That was interesting. Maybe it's just the but it almost looks like it's shuddering or stuttering a little bit. Maybe it's just me imagining things, but if wave 3 started. All right, 20 enemies coming at me. But okay, see, so here was the actual question. How long during a dash should the player be invincible? Like how many frames roughly? If should it be like the entire dash? Should the entire boom? Okay, I'm running away. I'm gonna get through you all. Whoa, hey. Or should it be a portion of it? So that you have to be a little bit better planning with the timing. Right there, it feels like it's stuttering a little bit. Why does it? Typically, it's a full length of the dash. Okay. Level complete. All right. Good job, me. I beat the level where I couldn't die. Way to go. All right. So then we won't add in the extra thing there. Is dodging is invulnerable false. There we go. Now, okay, we're not going to do that. Move player to different layer during dodge. Enemies won't detect. No, let's turn off collision detection with enemies and enemy projectiles. Start dodge. Dodge cooldown timer. There we go. Invulnerable to true. You know what? I want to encapsulate this. I want this to go into its own thing here. Already is in there in start dodge. Okay, so this is close. Let's get these commented. This one, no, that's not going to change. It's gonna not collide with 2 or 4. We're gonna set that to false, and then we leave 16 the same because we're not gonna let it go through walls. That'll just be a bad time. Set dodge collisions. There we go. And then in here, okay. Now I don't have any enemy projectiles yet, but this should allow me to go right through the enemy. Boom. Okay. Oh. Hey, two of them are just stuck on me. Like, what the? Okay, there's something happening here, and what it is ain't exactly clear. On layer 2, all right, so Legend Mask, that's the one that it's looking for. It's on there. It's looking for 3. All right, let's back to the player and let's see what we can do here about the dodge stuff. Dodge duration. Let's make it a full. Half second. Why does it know? Okay, so we'll make it last a little bit longer. Definitely my goal. Okay, it's still, but now it's like, it's completely stuck on me. Okay. Having the Okay, also seems to be an issue where the enemies become stuck to the player when trying to dodge through them. What the hell is that? Okay. but the enemies still detect player. Okay, now I'm directly asking it to implement these changes. Okay, so all right. Now let's see. Let's see. Boom. Oh, look at that.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid.
Welcome in,
How
John.
did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some Raiders. JDDoesDev just got some Raiders. You raided me, thank you. You raided me, thank you. Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some Raiders.
John, welcome in. How was your stream? What were you up to? What you got for me? What you want to share? On his own monitor? Yes? Yes. Yes. How you doing? Multiplayer is hard. Yes. I would agree with that, which is why I'm not even trying it. So for Raiders coming in with Sean, those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer. I'm learning game dev, currently working on a twin stick shooter type thing. Let me just, do this little. Today is the greatest. The goal today, actually, we've gotten through two goals. Two goals. Even one that wasn't on the list there. Goal the first. Wait a minute. Okay. Goal the first was to get it so that the player takes damage. And we got that. We got that. Goal the second was the dodge behavior, which we just finished up. So without dodging, if we come in close, ooh, they're going to come at. Look at that. They are hurting me. They're hurting me. Ooh, run away. And shoot ya. Boom. Woo. Yeah, you think you got me? Boom. I want to add in a little bit of, oh, nope, you missed me. Oh, that's so cool. Whoa, nope, not today, Satan. All right, I want to add in some, like we got the collision shape here, capsule shape, yeah. I want them to also detect themselves so that they collide. They're on there too. Mask is player projectiles is 3. Wait a minute. This isn't right. Or is it right? This might be right. Did I name 4 enemy projectiles? Oh, I guess I did name it. Cool. Let's make things easier there. Yeah, there we go. And Sean, I've had that happen before. Tommy, welcome back. Good to see you. Yes, Godot is available on Steam. Probably easier to keep it updated that way too. Ship it. Oh, 451. It's a maintenance release. This probably makes more sense. Well, no, it doesn't. Never mind. Nope. Pause. No. Because I have some things that are on older versions, so I don't want to do the upgrade. Move from account. So Tommy, it's good for, I mean, this is why I went with Blender through Steam. Side note, Blender is available in Steam, but like my Godot overlay is built in Godot 4.3. And there would be a lot of changes going from 4.3 to 4.5. And I want to make sure that I still have that older version available. But what the hell? There's no reason not to do it. Casually dropping Godot overlay, yeah. It's not like I talk about my Godot overlay all the time. It's not like, you know, I spent way too much time just modeling everything that you see in front of you. And animating little CRT TVs to walk around. No big deal. All right, so this should make it so that they don't die. Hey, that didn't work. Hey. Oh, I didn't save it. That's probably the reason that it didn't work. You know, if I could, Finite Singularity, if I have any mods around, somebody please shout out Finite. Ooh, okay. Look, there, look. Perfect. Look at that. They're overlapping and boom, run right through them. Boom. Okay. Oh, boom. And we got the XP coming our way. Oh, yeah. Anyway, Finite Singularity is making some really, really, really amazing effects. And I'm hoping that one of them that he's been working on is something that I could use to do a kind of Space Ghost intro, like fade in type effect. Because for anybody who remembers Space Ghost Coast to Ghost, at the beginning of every episode, he would fade in from his invisible white outline with a nice little Funny story, Sean. I think the only time in my adult life that I wore a costume to a Halloween party at a bar, I went as Space Ghost. There are no pictures because this was before camera phones were the norm. But let's see. This is the one that I had. At least something very, very similar to it. Now, sold out. Yeah, no shit. You may notice how buffified block. How buffified this this person looks. You may notice that. Billy Mays here with another fantastic. You ever watch JDDoesDev? So, but this part, this chest part was like solid. Now you might be thinking, oh, that's cool. No, because if you notice, oh, I definitely did. But if you notice, there's no zipper. So to use the bathroom, I had to unzip back, let the front flap all the way down. It was not comfortable. I don't want to make my own. Okay. A white full bodysuit, black 3-hole balaclava mask. Oh, that's amazing. 4 days ago. Oh, wow. Some people are looking for it. Yeah, that's there's nothing out of the box, it looks like. Huh. Shopping. Enchanted Ghost? No. Sexy Stay Puft? No. Do not do not steal photos. That is pretty damn expensive for. I mean, it doesn't look horrible, but it doesn't look like $120 worth. All right. Well, it was a good idea, but white bodysuit from Amazon. Whoa. That leaves absolutely nothing to the imagination. Whoa. And there's that. A 3-hole balaclava. It looks doable, but I'm not skilled enough at this kind of stuffs. But now you done derailed me. I thank you for it. Oh, poor Brack. All right, we'll consider that. That might be a possibility somewhere down the line. I don't think I'll be able to get it done by 11 days. Wait. Does fun have it? Nope. Nope, no Space Ghost. It's the Scolari brothers. I gave him the chair. All right. So where was I? Okay, so the next thing that I wanted to put in. Oh, what the hell did I just do? Ooh, no. All right, getting into like dangerous territory here of art, level design. Need to make the at least the base of the levels. There are 5 biomes. And what are they? Down to the water's edge. Um 50 floors, blah blah blah. Okay. Or game loop. Micrometa. Basement, workshop, entertainment, factory, penthouse. So what I'd like to do is at least have a design for like the floor of each of these. Um so the basement, oh the basement. Oh, the basement. basement. Top down. I don't want to do pixel art. Cracked concrete floor. Wet puddled concrete with toxic liquid. Mold covered sections. Now I think flip. Is anybody very familiar with Clip Studio? Hey, look, I've been making stuff. I've been trying to do things. This was just a doodle that I started with that shape. Praise me. All right. Reset. Where is... Yeah, fuck it. Okay, we'll do this. Okay, and then here's what I was reading. Pattern. Find a repeating pattern. Okay, software is grid. Now, how do I like change things in the grid? The grid. Can I view ruler bar too? Oh. Grid ruler bar settings. Okay. Now let's think about this, how we can do this kind of flooring. Do we want it to be tiled mean, looking back here, let's get this. Get these two like right on each other here. Hey, Bits of Bite, welcome in. Good to see you. It is definitely going. Trying to look at that splatter. Blood trail. Ooh, whoa, that looks good. I don't want that. Distress. Hello. Nope. Weird. Fact. That don't look good at all. Why is the navigator all weird? Distress lines? No. No. I have too many brushes. Supposed to be okay. All right. So here's where I'm at. Hey, Bits. How you doing? How you been? Hope all's well. I'm trying to decide if I want to do a tile map, if I want to just make the floor itself and then go from that. Let's use this. Oh. As an example here. Maybe have the top Well, right now it's not really necessarily dependent on the engine. It's more what do I want my art style to be. Like looking at this as an example. Here, let me just do a new layer on top of it. And then some good old oil. And then we need to anti-overflow. Why can't I change that? Interesting that I can't change it. Also interesting, where is there a better way to like do the palette here? Well, that's cool and all, but oh, I'm gonna pee my pants if I don't go to the bathroom soon. So I'm gonna turn on words and go do just that. And I will be back shortly. Had to try. All right, turning off autopilot. All right, we could hide that. So, I'm here with Clip Studio. And I turned on reference layer. And it ain't working. I'm curious if it has something to do with... Nope. Odious, welcome in. Good to see you. I don't know what the hell is going on with it. But it should be... If I draw something... Odious, I can try to help if you want to, drop a name. Mad Maddie. Cool. I'm following, and I'll be sure to check out. Okay, so correction. No. The overflow. Okay, now it works. What's the difference? What the hell is the difference here? Interesting. Interesting. I don't know what exactly is. Don't know what's causing that other than some interesting stuff here with like, what's this? Oh, there we go. Is it because the other layer was a vector layer? Maybe? Okay. Okay. All right. Anyway. I want to show the center of brush. Oh. Go to file preferences. File preferences. Cursor. Okay, there we go. Now I know when I am and when I'm not crossing over. I still don't know what the difference is here. Okay, I guess it's something to do here with vector versus raster. Tricky. I'm trying to figure out how things work here. And convert it to raster layer. And now it listens to the references. To the reference. Phrasing. Okay, so what have we learned? That vector layer does not respect. I'm not ready to send those out. Those are still just doodles. Right now we're working on the grid. Let's see. What is a good size tile? You know what? No. Let me do a square. You grid. No, that was no, not what I wanted to do. Do not save. Okay. 60. Let's go with 120. 120. Ranger, what's up? It's going. I'm doing things. Okay, I want, but ooh. Okay, so that's not what I was going for. Like at all. Yeah, doing things, trying stuff and things, both. All right, what the hell? What's that supposed to be? What that do? Did I just break something? I don't know what the hell. Like I want to be able to just put in a color, like an HTML. Like an HTML color and have it be like, oh, cool. Yeah, here you go. It seems that it's not going to allow me to do stuff like that though. Okay. Double click a color swatch in the toolbar. Well, I'll be damned. I guess that answers my question then. So Granger, yeah, I've got most of the, well, I shouldn't say most, but I've got a lot of the desired functionality working for this new game. Wait a minute. One T. Damn it. So now I'm taking a bit of time to try and maybe start on some of the floor plans. Tricky. That's fair. Everyone else has. Why wouldn't you? All right, let's do. Oh, oh. All right, so we're looking at. All right, where'd you go? All right, now. What'd you ask? What'd you ask? But that's the thing, Tricky. If I have somebody else do it for me, I'm not going to learn anything, right? I could ask you to do it, but what am I going to get out of it other than just like, you know, here's what I done. Let's see. Wait, now wait. Okay, there. Let's do this. I don't like those colors. Um, nope, nope, oh. Ah, I don't like you. Okay. All right. All right. All right. What's up, Munglo? How you doing? God damn. Pellets. All right, let's see if we have any better. Okay. Um. Okay. Let me see. I don't like this song too much. All right, let's see if we have if this makes a decent um okay, got that. Okay, okay. Here's what I'm wondering. How do I import? color palette. All right, let's see. Then go back to Clip Studio. Let's go here and create new set. Okay. Damn it. What is the name here? I wanted to create the color palette, and it's Studio with the add color set. Okay, so now go to Window, Color Set. The hell? Okay, I see that, but how do I like add it in? Anybody know? Anybody know? Add color set palette menu, add color. Import color set. Select the color set palette menu. What's considered the palette menu? Does anybody know? Okay. Oh, I'll be damned. What do you mean? File format? Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Damn it. Okay. This is such bullshit. So what it's basically telling me that I have to do, I can't do it here. And we could create a new one, a blank one there. Fine, whatever. But I have to do this. Go through each one of those. I can't freaking see that. All right, this is some bullshit. Why can't it just be easy? Okay, now then what does this do? Oh, this is a C# thingy. Yeah, I want to open it. I already said I want to open it. Jeez, come on. What the hell? Okay.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here.
Seto!
Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some Raiders. Raiders, JDDoesDev just got some Raiders. You raided me, thank you. You raided me, thank you. Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some Raiders.
Welcome in, Seto. How was your stream? What were you up to? You know, I was having a chill time until trying to figure out this thing. Getting this to work, and it's not. Okay, got that. Boom. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just trying to, like, it's a new color set and everything's transparent. So why? What it's telling me to do is go through and every hex key, so every hex key I have, put it in manually. And then add it in. Go back. Yeah, I'm trying to create a new one from hex codes, and it's just miserable. See, now it's not even showing. There we go. It's enough to make me angry. Let's just say it's enough to make me frustrated. Frustrated's a good word. No, that doesn't work. Oh, I can change the order that way. No. Because when ooh, that lets me, whoa, nope, not that. Well, that lets me fill it. Wait a minute. Yeah. Maybe. Here. Let's try something here. Let's try something here. File new. Let's see. All right. Buddy. Oh, nope. Bad. Okay, this is not... What the hell is my shortcut here? There we go. There we go. Oh, God. Guess who hasn't written CSS in a while? Anyway, Settle, what are you up to? What are you up to? Thank you for bringing in your community. Sorry, I'm a little... Let's see. Shift P. Shift P. No, that's not it. Ooh, is it an extension? What? No? What? Um. Okay, never mind. I don't know what the hell's going on here. All right, Seto, thank you for the raid. Sorry, I'm looking over here, hoping that I can. It says it represents a color. I don't want that. I want you to show me the color. What if I save it? Then will you? That's gray blue. Okay, fine. All right, we gotta go back to normal size here, so that I can see what the hell I'm doing. Okay, so color preview, no. I don't want themes. I don't want themes. Sure, why not? Let's see. Are you gonna do it for me? You gonna do what I want you to do? Huh? All right, what do I do? Yeah. Okay, what did I just? Which one did I just install? Huh? Oh my goodness, I'm a special boy. Such a special boy. Look at this. Oh, I need to hand in my front end developer card. I'm not allowed anymore. Okay. No. Can I eyedropper from another window? Edit. Oh, there we go. That's why. Okay. We're maybe getting somewhere. Ah, no. Ah, shoot. Okay. How are we looking, chat? How are we looking? Anybody still here? E X. There. Place. Alt EX. Replace. Nobody here but us chickens. So I think what I'll do here. So you can see what the hell's going on. Right. Alt EX. Boom. Nope. Yeah. Okay, that you? Bet this would be a lot easier in free software. I don't know why I feel that way. I definitely feel like this would be like trivial to accomplish. I mean, hell, in Sprite, all you got to do is drop in a PNG. Everything just work. Mars, what's up? Welcome in. Good to see you. This is definition of tedious. This is what I'm gonna do when I wanna hurt myself. Yeah. Ah, shit. Okay, so we're at number that one. All right. Yay. You are a reference layer. You are not. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Okay. 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 Ooh, that might be a bit much, huh? Go 200. 200. Oh, a marble pawn in Blender? Ooh. Very nice. Got a link or a picture of it or anything? Oh, you just put it in the... Damn, that looks good. Well done. Well done. So I might just be a little bit over helpful or hopeful here. But I really feel like if I don't just do a fill, then ooh, no, not dark enough. then it's gonna look a little bit better. Look like more handled with care. You know what I mean? All right, let's turn off the grid really quick. Not fully noticeable, but I think it does enough. And we could fix those parts of it pretty easily, I think. By doing something like that. And then go in here. Okay, let's turn off reference here. Just see. Just see. Why am I like this? Okay, okay. Oh, whoopsie. What the hell is going on here? Okay. All right, I think I did make mistakes. Ah. Okay, here we go. All right, we got that. Now, you off. Let's see, do I got anything weird here? Nope. Okay, great. Now, what I kind of want here, made this material already. How the hell did I do it on cancel? New. This one. How the hell did how did I do this? How did I? I don't remember how I did this. What? Okay, so it's the entire layer. Okay, there's that. But how did I show mask area? Oh. How the hell did I do this? Remote Pancake, welcome back. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. It has been a while. I'm glad you're here. There, mask. No. So if we take off the mask. All right, all right. All right, all right. Good. I'm glad to hear it. I hope you're doing well. I hope that the move was a good thing. Create layer mask. Oh no, bad. That was bad. Yeah, I don't know what I done. Like I see that I have a layer mask. Okay, I think I know what I did there. Like if I wanted to do this. Ooh, bad. All right, so then let me there we go. There we go. Oh, nice. So, but I mean, progression is going. Right now I'm trying to figure out how I want to do the levels, and this shit's gonna take forever. But using the checkerboard pattern here as a hopefully a guide. What I'm thinking we can do. Well, let me show you. I don't know how long it's been since you've been here, but I've changed up project quite a bit to a twin stick shooter type. And so far, what we did tonight, we actually have it so that the enemies cause damage to the player, and I got a little dodge behavior happening. And so now I'm trying to think of how I want some of the floors and levels to look. The first floor or biome is a kind of a basement, a couple floors of a basement. Ah, boom. Okay, then yeah, I was working on my swinging game. Got kind of frustrated with that, trying to come up with the art for it. And then I switched over to this and just decided, you know what? I want to do something a bit different. And so I don't want it to be. Did I? Ooh. Wait, can I put this layer as a. I kind of want that layer to be like. A texture layer, material, or yeah, material layer, and just tile it through here. Oh yeah, always. Be great if I could do like a. Well, maybe I can. See. Okay. Happy? Nah, that's not even. No, no, no. Okay. All right. I think that's gonna wrap it up for me. Good God. So we're gonna let me spell it right. And right on over the Gamayan. See what's going on there.
And back to the practice field.
So everybody, I appreciate you. I appreciate the raids tonight.
I forgot which order. Let me look up my I forget which quadrant was
Seto, Sean,
my,
appreciate you. Hope everybody here has a great night. And I'll be back tomorrow.
This is my great big
This game that
signed document for the
they're
practice field.
working on over here looks amazing. So definitely be sure to check it out.
So
We'll see the things.
top
All right.
left,
Take care, everybody.
bottom left.
Have a great rest of your
Okay.
evening.
So the idea
Bye-bye.
was the sparring with AI